Alrighty, so the second gathering strategy that you guys might be watching, or maybe your first one, I don't know, that you can choose to use is called a life map. Specifically, it's called a positive and negative life map. Oh no, it's math and English. Ah, you'll be alright. So some things to know about the life map really fast. The first thing is it can only be based on things that you actually remember. So, like you being born won't really need to necessarily be on your life map because you're not going to remember that. And it needs to be something like each one of the things you plot on your life map needs to be something tied to a strong emotion. And that emotion can be positive or negative. So, to do this, what you'll do is take your paper, turn it sideways, and then draw a horizontal line all the way across. And maybe you'll get lucky and it'll almost be straight like mine. Or you guys can borrow a ruler or use a ruler at home, or just a straight edge. Anyway, okay, so what you're going to do is basically start from the time that you were born, so you're 0 years old, to the time that is right now, like the present. So a lot of you guys are somewhere between like 13 and 15. So however old you are, you're going to write that down at the end here. Your first couple of years are probably going to be pretty jam packed. When I say that, I mean like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put ages like 1 through 6 kind of like close together because I don't necessarily remember the things that happened before then really well. I might have one or two memories from before then that are really strong. Maybe some of you guys have more, but most of my memories are going to be a little bit more recent, right? So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I know this isn't the most equal, beautiful map ever, but that's okay. We just need a timeline with your age on it. Okay, so what you're going to do now is try to find some of your strongest memories and tie that to an age. You're going to need to decide if it's a positive memory or a negative memory. Is it associated with fear, with sadness, with anger, or is it associated with good memories, fun times? It could even be embarrassing. That could be positive or negative. So, for example, I remember when I was having my 7th birthday party. So it was right when I turned 7. I had a birthday party with cousins. So I'm right, B-Day with cousins. In my mind, this is a very strong memory. I remember we watched movies. I remember what we ate. I remember what we talked about. So that's a positive memory that really stands out in my mind. Then that May when I was 7, um, I'm going to put this down here in negative. We had the hailstorm. It was from Mayfest, and the hailstorm was pretty horrendous. It totaled the car that I was in. The hail was the size of softballs. So, like, if you were holding a hailstone in your hand, it was like half the size of your head. So, I'm gonna write down Mayfest hail. You guys are also welcome to like draw pictures that like help you like remember. So there's my birthday party hat. Okay, so another one that happened, just like remembering when I was 8, I got my dog Danny, and let's see, my cousins were really, really mean to me this one day at my grandmother's house. They were all talking about what they were going to be when they grew up, and basically they said that I would not ever amount to anything while they were going to be like rock stars. So, you know what? They're still mean. So, forget them. Anyway, we had a really cool family vacation to New York when I was about 9.5 years old, and we actually went up on the Twin Towers because this was before 2001. So, I'm going to write NY for New York. And then later on in life, another good thing that comes up is I had a really, really good summer with my friends when I was 11. I got braces, which I thought were really cool when I was like 11 3/4. And you guys are also welcome to draw these things if you want to as well. So there's my braces. I was very happy about my braces. In 6th grade, so when I was 11, between 11 and 12, 6th grade was really stressful. I have some memories there about losing a binder. So I might have some really good memories. When I was 14, a really good memory was toilet papering. I don't know if you guys know what that is. My teacher's house, and that's a really strong memory. It's a very, very fun memory. And a bad thing that happened when I was 14 was September 11th happened. So 9/11, 01 happened, and so that was pretty traumatic. So then what you're going to do is connect all of these with a line based on like which ones come before which one. So this is like a timeline, right? Well, now you're going to connect these memories in a line. So my earliest one is birthday to cousins. Then the Mayfest thing happened. Then I got my dog Danny. There's that horrible memory of my mean cousins. We went to New York City. Let's see. The summer with my friends actually happened next. And then I had sixth grade stress. And then I got braces, which, looking back on that should have been really low. Then 9/11 happened when I was 13. And then when I was 14, we toilet papered my teacher's house. So you'll notice how my graph is like going up and down and up and down. Yours may not. Yours might all be aligned straight up here because they're all positive memories or all be negative memories. Yours might have a bunch that goes straight across and then they go down, or straight across and then they go up. They don't have to like go up and down. You just have a line that's connecting them. Then you're going to pick one of these that is the strongest in your mind and the one that really gets you excited about it, the one you have the most to say about, and that's going to be the one that you'll choose for your flash draft. All right, that's it. The end.